making a Brazilian guava cake roll, which we call in Brazil Bolo de Rolo. But first, let's go for the ingredients. The ingredients are 3 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of sugar, 6 eggs you divide the egg yolks in whites, 2 sticks of butter, a half cup of water, 1.5 packages of guava you cut into pieces, parchment paper, and you're gonna need sugar for coating. The first thing you're gonna have to do, you're gonna get a small bowl and you're gonna beat the egg whites until it's silky. Now that we are done beating the egg whites, we're gonna get a large bowl and we're gonna be beating the sugar and the butter. Now we're gonna add the egg yolks. You can do one at a time or 2 at a time, just so you blend well. Now that you mix both, we're gonna get a spatula and add the egg whites and the flour. You're gonna add this slowly. Just add a little bit of egg whites and a little bit of flour. Then you mix to blend both together. I'm gonna continue to mix and fold until all the mixtures together. Once you finish blending all the flour and the egg whites, we're gonna get 3 small bowls and we're gonna divide it into 3 the cake. So you just pour, because we're gonna be baking 3 times, so it's easier this way. You just pour into 3 containers the exact amount of cake. Now that you finish dividing into 3 the cake, you're gonna get a tray and we're gonna be coating the tray with butter. After you put the butter, we're gonna put the parchment paper on top. And then we're gonna put more butter on top of the parchment paper. Now you preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit and we're gonna be spreading 1 cake on the pan. So just pour it on top and you're gonna spread it out in a very, very thin layer. Once you finish, we're gonna be baking for 3 to 5 minutes. And we'll be back. Now we're gonna get a small pot and we're gonna be adding the guava and the water. And you just want it to melt, pretty much to make a paste. Turning to medium. Just continue moving and we're gonna let it reduce and we'll be back. Five minutes pass, you take it out. I almost burned actually. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna flip, I'm just gonna flip quick in a wet towel. Just move back. And let's wait the guava to be ready so we can spread the filling. Now that the guava is done, you're gonna spread the guava on top of the cake. Very thin as well. Just spread it out. Now what we're gonna do is you're gonna roll, very careful. Now that you're done, you just put it on a plate with butter, and we're gonna do it the second one. Now we're gonna bake the second cake. I took the old parchment paper out, put a new one in. Be careful because it's hot, and we're gonna be adding the butter again. Now we're gonna be adding the second cake. Same process. Pour here, spread it out very thin. Now that the other cake is baking, we're gonna spread the guava on top while it's hot. Just very thin, just like this on the entire cake. You're gonna put the first one on top, and with the help of the towel, you're going and rolling just very slowly. Roll. Now we're gonna set aside and wait for the third one. Now is the last one. Very careful, put on top. Same thing. Have a towel, just fold it in very slowly. Ta-da! Now we're gonna get a large tray. We're gonna put sugar on the base, and that's where we're gonna lay a bolo de rolo. And just pour sugar all over. Okay? Now we're gonna let it sit for 1 hour and a half, 2 hours, and we're gonna be cutting the edges so it won't look like that. Promise you, it'll look very pretty. And we'll be back. Now that we let the cake sit for 2 hours, I'm gonna cut the edge so you can really see how it turned out. Now the best part, let's try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, clicking the subscribe button below. We also have a Facebook and Instagram page called Marley Recipes. Go there, like and share, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!